Let's read. Consonant blends. TR. TR says tr, tr, tr. Tray, 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 tr, train, 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 tr, tree, 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 tr, trench, 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 tr, trim, trim, trim.
Can you read before the time runs out?
Trip, trot, trophy, truck, trug,
Good job, you're doing great. Let's read a little bit faster. Are you ready? Go.
tray, train, tree, trench, trim, trip, trot, trophy, truck, trug.
You did it.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.